Okay, friends, this is what you're going to need for our experiment. You'll need a ruler, a spoon, a metal spoon, a balloon, which I've already blown up, and then you're going to want to tie a piece of string long enough to where someone can hold it and dangle it, okay? And then I'm going to change the camera angle and we're going to do our experiment, okay? Okay guys, I have attached the string to the top of this pole, but if you have someone that will hold the string for you, that'll work too. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the balloon and you're gonna rub it on your hair to create that static electricity. And then we're gonna put my hair down and then we're gonna hang that balloon. Oh, it's attracted to my shirt. Okay, we're gonna hang it down and then, whoo, it's statically charged. I'm gonna get my spoon and put it next to it and see what happens. It's pulling, it's being attracted to the spoon. Okay, so we're gonna try the ruler now. And if you need to, you might need to rub it on your hair again, but I'm gonna put the ruler, wait, it's attracted to the pole right now. I'm gonna put the ruler and see if it pulls it. Maybe let's give it a little bit more charge. Rub that on your hair, okay? And then let's see what happens. There it goes. It's like magic, but it's science. It's pulling on that the static electricity. Here you go. I hope you had fun experimenting with static electricity. I know I did. The reason the balloon was attracted to the items we used is because we negatively charged the surface of the balloon by rubbing it on our hair, and because opposite charges attract, the negative charge in the balloon attracted the positive charge in the items we used. To explore further, you could try this with many different items to see if they attract the balloon. Please let us know what happened during your experiment. Thanks for joining us.